YouTubers, I'm wearing headphones because the truck can get quite loud. So on this video, you should probably keep the volume quiet because the drone's pretty loud. Anyway, take off. Well, since I am remember to take a YouTube video, first you have to do that to calibrate. I'm going to show you what I need. And I need to reset the whole thing and show you what I mean about calibrating it. You see this button? It's meant to take off, but look, it's not working because I didn't calibrate it. So now it's all calibrated, and now it can take off. But do not get to steal anybody's hair, because once it got stuck in my nail fall basketball hoop, and it completely pinched it. It got stuck in it. We almost had it there. So please be careful. Wait, this right here is like bent. When it's flying, you can hear it. But this one is really good. Wow! Well, it's not meant to happen unless you hit this button. Wait, I've got an idea. Let's close the blind really quickly. Yeah, okay.
We'll do a night video later.
This is going to be drone part 4.
And that'll be 5.
This thing can go quite high, but do not let it hit the roof. Really clever. Oh, the thing has to be facing you. So left is left and right is right. Not left is right, right is left. Oh wait, this does a turn. Are you ready? This is the speed. Let's do another turn. And let's do it close to the camera. That was cool. It's going to do a stunt when I take off. Look how cool this looks. Looks like hovering. Oh my goodness. That happens. Sometimes. I bought this for my birthday. Wow, that's really windy. What's up? That's cool. And it can hit you. Let me try to make that with the camera. Right in front of the camera. That's how we're going to get good. Oh, fun. Well, we should land. That wasn't expected.
You almost sliced my finger off.
Wow. Right now. Well, bye, YouTubers. In the next video that I have to make. That means do it a bit longer, Dad. Whoa, 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 whoa! Up, 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 up. Up we go. see you in the next video that I had to make ahead of me. That was really funny. I know.